Now that you have your first source connected to Iris, let's take a tour of the Iris interface. Let's start with the source tray. On the left side of the interface, you can access your video and audio sources. This is where you can add new sources and switch between them. By hovering over a source, you can open the Advanced Setting panel by clicking the Settings icon in the lower right corner of the preview thumbnail. Alternatively, you can right-click the thumbnail and choose Advanced Settings. In Advanced Settings, you can manage several important things. 1. Iris connection. This is where you can update and configure the specific video source coming into Iris, the API connection with your camera, and the driver selected for your source. 2. Additional settings. Access network configuration, advanced codec settings, and other technical options that aren't typically needed during live production. 3. Core actions. Reboot, wake up, or delete a source directly from your studio. On the right-hand side is the control tray and image settings tray. Here you can adjust control and image parameters for the selected camera. Each camera has unique features that automatically populate the trays based on its driver. If you're using multiple camera brands or models, expect different control and image options for each. You can only control one source at a time. The control tray includes focus, pan, tilt, and speed settings, along with any movement or tracking features. The image tray includes exposure, white balance, and picture-related adjustments. The canvas is where you view your active source or multi-viewer layout. In the upper left corner, you can toggle between active source and multicam view. In multi-view, you can rearrange sources by dragging and dropping them. You can still operate movement tools in multi-view. Just click the source you want to control, then switch seamlessly to another. In the upper right-hand corner, you will find the grid line options. Choose between a clear viewport, crosshairs, or rule of thirds. These grid lines only appear in your studio interface and do not affect your camera's output downstream. At the top center of the canvas are the Magic Movement tools, designed for intuitive PTZ operation. You'll also find Iris's AI auto tracking feature here. But in short, the Click to Center and Fast Frame are in one dropdown, and CineCenter and CineFrame are in another. All tools are click to activate and hotkey enabled for fast operation. The bottom tray includes tools for framing, presets, and tracking. The presets tray organizes all of your saved PTZ positions for quick recall. Click the plus icon to save a new preset at any time. Need to check on your cameras? The monitoring tray gives you a live overview of each source's health. You can see send and receive quality, resolution, frame rate, and bit rate, making it easy to spot issues like a disconnected or powered off camera. Want to collaborate with a remote operator? Click the Share button to invite users to your studio. You can set permissions, define expiration dates, and email invitees directly. The bridge tray connects Iris to your AV devices, the cloud, and remote collaborators. It shows your bridges, usually your computer running Iris, and allows you to monitor system resources during that use. The cloud and local mode toggle shows whether your studio is connected locally or via the cloud. When on the same network, Iris defaults to local mode for the lowest latency. When accessing remotely, it switches to cloud mode. Admins can also lock a studio to local network only, restricting access to users only on the same network. By clicking your profile dropdown in the top right, you can access your account, integrations, and studio settings. You can connect a gamepad, USB controller, or Visca IP joystick. These act as physical companions to Iris, mirroring your UI controls in real time. Highly recommended for smooth operation. Admins can manage organization and billing details, including logos, passwords, two-factor authentication, studio naming, and subscription plans. In billing, you can view your plan, payment method, and cloud usage. Data refreshes every few minutes, and you can upgrade plans or download invoices at any time. That's the overview of the Iris Studio interface. everything you need to navigate your sources, control your cameras, and manage your studio environment efficiently.